Student of class 5, this is the second and the last video of the first chapter, geography. Previously we have already done know your planet. We have already done regarding the earth, why earth is a unique planet. In the ancient time, how people they used to believe that earth is really flat, really round. Then we have already done with the definitions of the globe. Then we have already done regarding the maps. So we already have already done with the different types of maps. Clear, children? If children you have any doubt regarding this chapter, please let me know. I think I have cleared out many of the doubts regarding this. And today we are going to start with the maps. Clear? Now, we all know that maps are very important. Why? Because it gives us a lot of information about the country or a place. But before going through maps, what we need to do? We need to know how to read a map and how we need to understand the information it gives us, it provides us. So each and every map has a certain important features which we like to share. Clear? So number one feature is direction. Now all maps they follow a system of direction. There are four major directions, as you all know. It is the north, south, east as well as west. So the top of the map signifies the north, bottom signifies the south, east to the right and the west to the left. Clear? Now direction on the map can also be shown by a arrow based or arrow marked north N, which says a north direction. So we can mark four intermediate direction. Suppose we can say northeast lies between the north as well as an east. Then northwest lies between the north and the west. Southeast lies between the south and east. And southwest lies between the south and the west. I hope you understand. Next features, we are moving towards the scale. Now what is a scale? It is a measurement. Clear? Now children, you have seen the scale. This is a scale we measure on the copy. Okay, it is very helpful. So scale, it is not possible to show the actual size of the earth. Now the earth is so big. It is so big. So the big shape of the earth can we show on a piece of a map? We can show in a piece of a paper? No, we cannot. Because the shape, the size of the maps or the size of the earth, it is very, very large. So we cannot show here. So for example, we cannot show the distance between the Delhi and Agra. Okay. Suppose, for example, if the distance between the Delhi and Agra is 200 kilometer, how we can show in the piece of a map? We cannot show. Okay. So what we need to do, we have to understand that a distance is represented by a smaller unit on a map like 5 centimeter. So the ratio between the distance on the ground and on the map is known as a scale. Clear? So we can write like 5 centimeter is to 200 kilometer. But we cannot show 200 kilometer between the Delhi and Agra in a small paper or in a small map. Clear? Now let us move towards the symbol. Symbol means what? Sign. Another important features is symbol. As we all know that there is not enough space on a map to show you the symbol. So for example, different symbols are used as to give us information regarding land boundary, how we need to show. How we need to show the railway track, how we need to show the temple, how we need to show like city. So for example, land boundary is shown through a thick dashes and city is shown through a small dot. Clear? So did you understand, children? Next one, the last feature is color. How we can say, how we can how we can draw the colors in the map showing what is the color of the mountain, what color you are going to use in grasses or trees, how we can show? We can depict it through the colors. So we use different colors to show various things on a map. For example, water bodies. You know what is a water bodies? It is in the form of an ocean, it is in the form of a river, lakes. We show that in a blue color, as you all know that water is blue in color. Then light blue we can show in the shallow waters. Then plains we show in the shades of a green. Okay, highlands we can show in a color of a brown. To make you all understand the concept of the colors, a map helps us to understand the color scheme and symbol through a key. Clear? So, I hope that you understood, children, regarding the maps. What are the features? Okay, very important. Then, I hope you don't have any doubt regarding this. If you have any doubt, please tell me. Okay, so we have already finished the first chapter, Know Your Planet. And from the two videos, I hope that you understand regarding the first chapter. And I'm going to send you the question answers regarding this chapter along the video tomorrow. Clear? So children, don't hesitate to tell me regarding anything of this chapter. I'm there to help you. So stay safe and thank you. Clear?